Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome back to my channel, Never Not Cleaning. In today's video, we're going to finish installing a closet organization system in my daughter's bedroom. We're going to do a lot of vacuuming, a little bit of dishes, basically just a typical day of tidying up. Redid my daughter's closet this weekend, and I cut the shelves too short, so I had to go to Home Depot and get some more. It was nice because they actually cut them to the size I needed instead of using a hacksaw. The clothes hanger rods are actually that much too long because I took what was not really a custom closet and I made it a custom closet. So instead of designing it as they specified, I sort of made my own alterations, which is why I cut the shelves too short, because I didn't realize those bars right there. So there's two bars right there. I didn't realize those have to mount to the front. And of course, once you look at the design and you read the directions, which I did not do, you realize that those bars are what hold up the shelves in the front. Trying to get this open, I had to go get a pipe cutter. Oh my gosh, I cannot open this. There we go. I hope this is the right size because it's the second one I bought. I went to Home Depot when I bought the shelves and got the right size after I cut them too short. I took them this rod and I said, this is the rod and I need to cut it. And what do I use to cut it? So they gave me a pipe cutter. It's the wrong size pipe cutter. So I don't know if you've ever used a pipe cutter before, but you just screw it, unscrew it until it's the size of your pipe. So I'm gonna cut this right here. And then you take these two little things that goes in the center of your pipe, and then you just screw it on until it's tight, and you don't want to over tighten it. So once you tighten it on there, you just spin it around and then tighten it. My daughter cut the shelves, the first set of shelves that we cut too short. And by we, I mean she cut them, but I measured them. I showed her where to cut them. And it looks like it's cutting. It feels like it's cutting. Ha-ha! Yeah. So wait! So I can put it on this end.
That's why I gave you up. It's getting closer to midnight.
Now that I'm finished installing the closet organizer, I'm taking all of the clothes that were piled on my bed and putting them back in her closet.
Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking.
As you can see here, my bed was only sort of made once all of her clothes were put back. So I'm just gonna straighten it up, and then this little wahoo jumps up there. He's our 9-month-old puppy, Snoop.
I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it's a shot of love.
Now that my bed is made, I'm gonna spray it with some linen spray that I made with fabric softener and water. I swear those two are never more than 2 steps away.
Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you that
I'm sure like my family, you're finding ways to stay entertained while you're staying home. My family and I have been playing this game called Rummikub. I ordered it online from Target and we've been playing it every night. It's so much fun.
Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby,
When I say these two do this all day, I mean they literally do this all day long. I have to take that rope bone away from them to make them stop because they're so annoying.
baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Adore you. If you like what you see, come and get it with me. I know you deserve all you want, 'cause your heart's made of gold. But don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I get you some. Feel your body losing up the tension. Baby, did I mention?
I don't think there's been a single time that I've ever vacuumed and not had cat hair piled up back there.
Baby, did I mention? This is what I do. Let it go, lose control like you're on a ride. Let me free your mind, let me free your mind. Live it up, never stop, don't be scared of heights. Let me free your mind, let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. If you like what you see, come and get it with me. I know you deserve all you want, 'cause your heart's made of gold.
This is the one thing that I hate about this vacuum. Other than hair wrap, it's a great vacuum. They shouldn't make vacuums anymore unless they have anti-hair wrap technology.
Dimensions, baby, did I mention? This is what I do. Let it go, lose control like you're on a ride.
One day. That's all this takes. One day.
Don't be scared of heights. Let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. Let me free.
I just cleaned it. They're worse than kids.
Live it up, never stop, don't be scared of heights. Let me free your mind, let me free your mind.
Listen up, I gotta tell you, there is something you should know. I have never really liked you at all. I cannot hide it anymore. I've been thinking about the future, trying to forget about the past. So many ways that I could change for the better. Don't even know where to begin. If I allow myself to.
I had groceries delivered earlier today and this is what's left on the counter, so I'm just putting the rest of it away so I can finish cleaning the kitchen.
Pull me out of this place in the middle, in the middle. Nothing more to embrace in the middle, in the middle. If I try to climb up the wall.
I don't know what got spilled all over my cabinets here, but I decided to go ahead and just wipe them all down. I'm going to use a microfiber cloth with just water.
Take me up into the mountains, send me off into the wild.
I'm wondering how many times a day is too many times a day to clean your counters, doorknob, faucet, backup chairs, all the things that everyone touches in your house. I don't really leave my house for anything. I have my groceries delivered, but other people who live in my house do leave and are exposed. So that's why I feel the need to continuously clean things that they might have touched.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate that you've stayed all the way to the end. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so that you're notified when a new video is posted, and I will see you in the next one.